To connect Nothing Ear A with your Android phone, first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside the case, you will have to open the cover, and then you will have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking white, just like this. Now you can release. Then, by the way, if your indicator is not blinking like that, you will have to recharge your case. At the bottom you can find the USB-C cable, because your case is probably out of the battery. So now on your phone you will have to navigate into the settings and go for Bluetooth. Now from available devices, select Nothing Ear A and accept pairing. Right now we are successfully connected, but you can also connect this earbuds into the Nothing X application. So go to the Google Play Store, search for this and download this application. When you do this, you can simply open it and accept all of this incoming notifications. So click Start. Now you don't have to join for improvement program, so you can click Later, allow Bluetooth permission. And as you can see right now, when you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, will be already connected in the application. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.